Welcome to our online lesson. So in today's lesson we're going to have a look at the surface area of a cylinder. So basically, what is a cylinder? You should have seen a lot of that in your life. So it looks like this. It consists of radius, which is half of the circular bit, so distance from the center to the circumference, and the height, which is the vertical height, and the diameter, which is twice the radius. And then you have the curved surface, where we normally stick like photographs and instructions if you buy like something to eat or to drink. And so now we're going to see the different components consisting in a cylinder, which is called the net of a cylinder. So this is how the net of a cylinder looks like. So you have two circles, the top and the bottom circular bit, and then the curved surface, which is a rectangle. So if you find the area of each one of them, add them together, that will give you the total surface area. So as you can see here, the total surface area is given by 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. 2 pi r squared for the two circles and 2 pi r h for the rectangle, which is also known as the curved surface. So to recall, total surface area TSA is 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. Now we're going to take a couple of examples how to use this formula to find the total surface area of cylinders. So example 1, so we have a cylinder with a radius of 4 and a height of 10. So it's good to write the formula all the time so that you know it by heart. At the same time, it makes it easier. So the total surface area is 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. So what we do is just replace the r by 4 and the h by 10, and just use your calculator, and then you'll come up with the answer. And don't forget the units, it's centimeters square. So in the next example, instead of giving the radius, we're given the diameter. So before we find the total surface area, we need to find the radius, which is just dividing the diameter by 2. So if the diameter is 10, the radius will be 10 divided by 2, which is 5. And then we're going to use the same formula, 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. You just substitute the radius by 5 and the height by 15, as is done here. And then use your calculator, and you can do that all in one go on your calculator, so you don't have to do it bit by bit. You can type all of this in one step and the answer will come up 628.32 centimeters squared. Now in some other question you might be given a cylinder which is open in one end. Then how does that change? If it's open in one end, then instead of 2 pi r squared, you'll have only pi r squared because you have only one circle. So for a cylinder open at one end, the formula is slightly different. It's pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. And if it's open on both ends, then you only have the curved surface, which looks like a tunnel. Then it's 2 pi r h. Now I think you should be able to do the questions from your booklet that I handed the other day. So all the best.